As more drivers spend extended hours on the road, they seek better comfort, focus, and in-car durability. Much like typists and gamers gravitate toward mechanical keyboards for precision, feel, and long-term performance, dashboard covers have exploded in popularity for their ability to reduce glare, prevent cracking, and preserve resale value.
List number 1. Seikos Auto Parts Black Line Leather Dashboard Dash Cover Protector Matte Compatible with. The Seikos Auto Parts Black Line Leather Dashboard Cover stands out with its elegant leather-lined design that instantly enhances any car interior. Constructed from premium synthetic leather and heat-resistant materials, this cover effectively blocks UV rays that commonly cause dashboard fading, cracking, and warping. One of its biggest strengths is its substantial thickness, providing not only visual appeal, but a high level of protective cushioning. Its non-slip backing keeps the mat firmly in place even on hot days, while the precision laser-cut openings ensure that air vents, sensors, and speakers remain unobstructed. Unlike many carpet-based dash covers, this leather model brings a sleek, modern aesthetic, ideal for drivers who want both protection and style. Because the leather surface is smooth and dust-resistant, cleaning is effortless, usually requiring just a damp cloth. Fitment accuracy is another strong point, with users praising how well the cover molds to specific dashboards without bulging or curling edges. Installation is quick thanks to the included Velcro pads, and once set, the cover doesn't shift. While leather dash covers tend to run slightly warmer than carpet versions, the added luxury feel, durability, and protective ability make this an excellent long-term investment for anyone wanting a refined yet functional upgrade for their vehicle interior.
List number 2. Dash cover for Toyota RAV4 2025 to 2019 Dashboard Cover Mat or Dash Carpet Protector. If you own a 2019 to 2025 Toyota RAV4, this custom-fit dash cover is an exceptional and budget-friendly solution designed specifically for the SUV's widely exposed dashboard. Featuring a soft, heavyweight carpet material, it provides superior UV protection while eliminating the glare that often reflects off the RAV4's windshield. The material also helps regulate interior temperature, reducing heat buildup on sunny days. The biggest advantage of this cover is its truly tailored construction. Cutouts align perfectly with sensors, speakers, and air vents, preventing interference with electronics and airflow. The surface texture is plush but durable, meaning it won't shed fibers or fade prematurely. With a slip-resistant silicone lining, the mat stays in place even during rapid acceleration or when driving on bumpy roads. Installation takes just minutes thanks to the included adhesive Velcro strips. Aside from protection, the cover noticeably improves cabin aesthetics by hiding existing dashboard imperfections such as scratches or sun damage. The carpet texture adds a warmer, cozier feel to the RAV4 interior, great for buyers who dislike the hard plastic OEM dash. While carpet covers can accumulate dust faster than smooth surface mats, regular vacuuming keeps it clean.
List number 3. Custom Dash Cover for Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTWT. Tailored for the Chevy Silverado 1500 LTWT, this custom dash cover is made to handle the rugged conditions truck owners often face, from heat exposure to heavy daily use. The tough, fade-resistant carpet construction serves as a dependable shield against UV rays that cause cracking and discoloration on trucks that spend long hours outdoors. Its thick, plush texture adds noticeable depth to the Silverado interior while also reducing windshield glare. Fitment is where this cover excels. It aligns precisely with the Silverado's large dashboard layout, including speaker panels and defroster vents. Thanks to its molded contours, the cover lays flat without bunching. The underside is lined with anti-slip silicone, and installation is straightforward with the included Velcro pads. One of the conveniences Silverado drivers appreciate is the cover's ability to conceal existing dash damage, particularly common in older or work trucks. The durable carpet is also stain-resistant and easy to vacuum, making it ideal for dusty job sites.
List number 4. Dash Cover Mat fit for 1999 through 2006 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado 1500, 2500, 3500 HD. Drivers of older trucks will appreciate this dash cover mat designed specifically for 1999 through 2006 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado models. These model years are notorious for dashboard cracking and sun-related deterioration, and this carpet-style dash mat provides one of the most effective, affordable solutions to extend the life of aging interiors. The cover features a dense, UV-resistant carpet fabric that shields the entire dash from heat and harmful rays. The material is soft yet rugged, offering long-term durability without thinning over time. It also helps reduce wiper and windshield reflections, significantly improving visibility while driving. Cut precisely for older GM truck dashboards, the cover aligns cleanly around sensors and defrost vents and does not obstruct sound output from speakers. Installers will appreciate the mat's lightweight design, easy to position and secure using the included Velcro strips. Once installed, the silicone backing prevents sliding or curling. This dash mat is especially beneficial for trucks with existing cracks, as it hides imperfections while preventing further deterioration. Its protective qualities are ideal for high heat environments or work trucks exposed to sun for hours.
Number 5. The Cardist Sonata Dash Cover for dashboard cover for Hyundai Sonata. The Cardist Sonata dash cover is engineered for a precise fit on Hyundai Sonata models and stands out with its premium, environmentally friendly polyester felt material. Soft to the touch and highly resistant to heat, the cover effectively prevents sun cracking, fading, and glare, common problems in sedans with wide dashboards like the Sonata. Its cutout accuracy is impressive, with laser-cut openings for air vents and sensors to ensure proper functionality. The non-slip silicone backing stabilizes the cover during daily driving, even on curvy or uneven roads. Installation is fast, and the cover immediately begins conforming to the dashboard's natural curves. One of its strongest selling points is its lightweight, breathable design that reduces interior heat more effectively than some thicker mats. The felt construction also eliminates shiny reflections on the windshield, helping improve road visibility. In terms of aesthetics, the Cardist cover provides a clean, factory-matched appearance that blends smoothly into the interior. It is easy to clean, requiring only light brushing or vacuuming to remove dust.